Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add coupon on Shein. Keep watching the video till the end. To add coupon on Shein, firstly go ahead and open up your Shein application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. To add coupon on Shein, firstly go ahead and select a product that you would like to buy and add it to your cart. For that, select a product and tap on Add to Bag option. Tap on Checkout button at the bottom of the page. Go ahead and enter your shipping address and other information in the text box and tap on Save. Now all you need to do is scroll down and tap on Apply Coupon. Type in your coupon code in the text box and click on Apply button. This is how you can add coupon on Shein quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.